Chapter 8, Conclusion, Embracing Dreams as Guidance. Embracing Dreams as Guidance. Embracing dreams as guidance is a profound journey that can lead to spiritual enlightenment and personal growth. For many, dreams serve as a bridge between the mind and spirit, offering insights that can help individuals navigate their waking lives. Recognizing that dreams can carry messages from a higher power or the universe encourages individuals to approach their nighttime visions with reverence and curiosity. Within a Christian context, dreams are often seen as a means through which God communicates, guiding believers toward deeper understanding and purpose. The interpretation of dreams requires an open mind and a willingness to explore the symbols and themes that arise during sleep. Each dream can be viewed as a unique tapestry woven with personal experiences, emotions, and spiritual significance. By engaging in various dream interpretation techniques such as journaling upon waking or utilizing resources like dream dictionaries, individuals can uncover the hidden meanings behind their dreams. This process not only enhances self-awareness, but also strengthens the connection between the individual and the divine. Symbolism plays a crucial role in understanding the messages within dreams. Common symbols such as water, light, and animals often carry universal meanings but can also be deeply personal. For instance, dreaming of water might represent emotions, cleansing, or a spiritual journey, while a light could signify enlightenment or divine presence. By analyzing these symbols in the context of one's life and faith, individuals can gain clarity on their spiritual path and discern the guidance being offered through their dreams. Furthermore, dreams can serve as a wellspring of creative inspiration. Many artists, writers, and musicians have found that their most profound creations stem from their nightly visions. Embracing dreams in this way not only allows for the exploration of one's artistic capabilities, but also fosters a deeper connection to the spiritual realm. By recognizing dreams as a source of inspiration, individuals can cultivate their talents and express their inner truths, enriching both their lives and the lives of others. Ultimately, embracing dreams as guidance requires both belief and practice, as individuals lean into this aspect of their spiritual journey. They may find themselves more attuned to the subtle messages that arise during sleep. By acknowledging the significance of dreams and integrating their insights into daily life, believers can foster a deeper relationship with God and enhance their understanding of their unique purpose. In this way, dreams become not just fleeting images, but powerful tools for spiritual growth and divine connection. Continuing the journey of dream exploration involves a commitment to understanding the messages that dreams convey. For many, dreams represent a bridge between the mind and the spirit, providing insights into personal struggles, desires, and spiritual guidance. Engaging with dreams is not merely an act of curiosity. It is a spiritual practice that can deepen one's faith and enhance personal growth. By recognizing the symbolic nature of dreams, individuals can unlock the divine messages intended for them, fostering a closer relationship with their spirituality. Dream interpretation techniques offer valuable tools for deciphering the language of dreams. Various methods such as journaling dreams upon waking, reflecting on recurring themes, and using dream dictionaries can aid in uncovering the deeper meanings behind the imagery. Incorporating prayer and meditation into this process can heighten awareness and invite divine insight. When individuals approach their dreams with intention and reverence, they create a sacred space for transformation and understanding, allowing them to engage with the symbols and emotions that arise during sleep. Symbolism plays a crucial role in dream interpretation, as dreams often communicate through vivid imagery and archetypal symbols. Common symbols such as water representing emotions or flight symbolizing freedom can vary in meaning based on personal experiences and cultural backgrounds. For Christians, familiar biblical symbols may surface, inviting reflection on spiritual truths and personal revelations. By studying these symbols and their potential meanings, dreamers can connect the dots between their waking lives and their spiritual journeys, discovering how divine guidance manifests through their spirits. Using dreams for creative inspiration can also enrich one's life and spiritual practice. Many artists, writers, and musicians have drawn upon dreams to fuel their creativity and innovation. Engaging with dreams in this way encourages individuals to explore their inner worlds and express them through various forms of art. Additionally, the creative process itself can become a form of spiritual exploration, as it requires vulnerability and openness to the messages that arise from the depths of the soul. Ultimately, continuing the journey of dream exploration is an invitation to embrace the spiritual and mystical aspects of dreaming. By nurturing this connection, individuals can experience personal growth, deepen their understanding of themselves, and cultivate a more profound relationship with the divine. Dreams are not simply random occurrences. They are a vital part of the human experience, providing insight, inspiration, and guidance. As one delves deeper into the world of dreams, they may find that the journey itself is as transformative as the messages received, leading to a richer and more spiritually connected life. Dreams have long been regarded as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, providing insights that transcend our waking experiences. For many, particularly within the Christian tradition, dreams serve as a divine channel through which God communicates His will, guidance, and messages. This spiritual dimension of dreaming invites individuals to explore their mind and connect with a higher purpose. Understanding dreams as a form of divine guidance encourages believers to pay attention to the symbols and narratives that unfold during their sleep, recognizing them as opportunities for spiritual growth and reflection. The interpretation of dreams is a nuanced practice that can reveal profound truths about our lives and spiritual journeys. Techniques for interpreting dreams vary widely, from journaling and meditation to consulting with dream interpreters or spiritual leaders. Engaging with these methodologies allows individuals to decipher the intricate language of dreams, revealing the symbols and themes that reflect their inner spiritual states. By embracing these techniques, one can cultivate a deeper understanding of the messages that may be rooted in individual experiences, biblical references, or universal archetypes, enhancing the connection between dreams and spiritual insight. Symbolism in dreams plays a crucial role in translating the profound messages we receive during sleep. Each symbol often holds multiple meanings influenced by individual experiences, cultural backgrounds, and spiritual beliefs. For Christians, symbols may resonate with biblical narratives or teachings, enriching the interpretation process. By delving into the layers of symbolism, dreamers can uncover insights that not only provide guidance but also encourage them to confront personal challenges and embrace their spiritual paths with renewed vigor. This exploration can enhance one's faith, offering clarity in times of doubt and direction in moments of uncertainty. In addition to their interpretive value, dreams can serve as a wellspring of creative inspiration. Many artists, writers, and innovators have credited their dreams with igniting ideas and fostering creativity. By recognizing dreams as a source of divine inspiration, individuals can harness this creative potential, allowing their visions to manifest in unique and meaningful ways. Engaging with dreams in this manner also encourages a playful and open-minded approach to spirituality, enabling individuals to explore new dimensions of their faith and capabilities through artistic expression and innovation. The relationship between dreams and spirituality invites a deeper exploration of the self and one's connection to the divine. As we reflect on our dreams and the messages they convey, we cultivate a greater awareness of our spiritual journeys. Embracing dreams as a form of divine guidance not only enriches our understanding of ourselves, but also strengthens our faith and connection to God. By remaining open to the insights offered through our dreams, we can navigate our lives with greater purpose, creativity, and spiritual depth, leading to a more fulfilling and enriched existence.